You hear about LinkedIn, what do you think of? Probably job searches, resumes, and networking, right? Well, this platform might hold a lot more potential than you think. And if you aren't using LinkedIn for business, you're missing opportunities to attract potential customers and clients, generate leads, and drive sales.
Just keep in mind, there's hundreds of different tips and tactics and strategies and cool little hacks you can do on LinkedIn. These are the three main core things that you want to do as part of your client acquisition strategy if you want to use LinkedIn to do that and to get clients and grow your business, okay? So just keep that in mind. There's a lot of different things that I could cover. I might cover in later videos, but pay attention to these main three because this is the main thing that you want to do as part of your strategy, okay? So number one is you want to optimize your LinkedIn profile for your ideal client, right? And the way you want to think about your profile is a lot of people treat it like a resume or like a showcase or a place to just show off, right? Show off about their awards and what they've done. Maybe they've written a book or whatever. You don't want to do that. You want to treat your LinkedIn profile, if you want to use it to get clients, you want to treat it kind of like a mini sales page or mini landing page, right? And the goal of your LinkedIn profile is to attract and convert your ideal clients. So to do that, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile to do that, to get your ideal clients to come to your profile, see what you do, and say, oh, that sounds like that guy can help me.
The secondary thing that you can do is provide professional insights. So if you want engagement, you want accolades. If you want a good personal brand, you want to show your value and your knowledge. You want to give to the business community. So me, I give business and marketing advice, but also things that I learned. I don't claim to be a super successful business person. I still own several small businesses. There's plenty of people that are well more qualified to talk about what you should do in your business than me. But I can tell you what I've learned in growing my small businesses. And right now I'm telling you what I've learned in growing my own LinkedIn personally. And accolades will get the engagement, but your knowledge will help improve your brand and ultimately maybe get you more of what you want, whether it's more press, more speaking opportunities, more potential clients, more sales for your business. Also could get you a better job opportunity or a promotion, all of the above, right?
You could go to LinkedIn to find perfect partners to help you sell your products. If you're a local business, you're probably not going to be finding the exact customers that want your business, like a gym, for instance. But you could connect with other businesses in your area, get them to refer clients to you, all by using LinkedIn. Now, if you're a business-to-business owner, it's the ideal place and the place you need to be. You need to be there because the other businesses that you want to connect, that's where they're at also. So I really want to share with you guys some simple tips. We're going to be spending the entire week talking about LinkedIn. So make sure that you stay with us till the end, where we'll be giving away a free guide to help you and show you exactly what we do to build our LinkedIn. So step number one that I want to share today, find that ideal customer. Who is that customer? Go into the LinkedIn search and just start typing in different keywords and different names until you find the exact customer you want to connect with. You can do that by location, by business title, or by the type of business that they offer. Once you find that ideal person that you want to connect with, start adding more people like them. Find that exact search. You might see that there's 1,000 people, 30,000, a million people in that category. Just start connecting with them. You don't even have to send them a message. We are at our max capacity, 30,000 connections, and we go back, delete people, and add more. So just start connecting with those ideal customers.
Yeah, building relationships on LinkedIn involves consistently publishing relevant content, responding to others' content, and reaching out to make new connection. Now take all this advice and put it into practice. Start using LinkedIn for small business to grow your brand visibility, stay top of mind, attract new customers, and engage existing audiences and customer base.